slightly better measure of absolute dispersion than the range, but it ignores the observation on details. It is not a popular measure of dispersion, and if it is calculated from the sample data, it does not help to draw any conclusion about the QD in a population. So, ito, kung kanina sa Midhinge, no, inad natin sila tapos divide sa 2. Ito naman, minus natin sila tapos divide sa 2. Still, ang gamit natin is Q3 and Q1. So, ayan, pareho pa rin tayo ng ginagamit na problem. Q3 natin is 56.5, no? 56.5. Tapos, ang Q1 natin is 47. For the formula of QD, again, QD is solved by having the difference of Q3 and Q1 divided by 2. Good day everyone, welcome to our next discussion. So our next discussion, right after our discussion regarding the quartiles, deciles, and percentiles, will be all about the Midhinge IQR or the Interquartile Range and the QD or the Quartile Range. So this is the later part of the chapter 5, I think, which is all about the measures of location and dispersion. So madali lang naman ito, no? Ang prerequisite nito is that dapat alam ninyo yung mga naunang topics natin, especially yung quartiles, deciles, and percentiles, no? Dahil yung mga topics na yon ay mga gamit for these 3. Okay? So let's start. When we say Midhinge, guys, this is the mean of the first and third quartiles, no? Average ng first and third quartiles in the data set, whether it is ungroup data or group data, and it is used to overcome potential problems introduced by extreme values or outliers in the dataset. When we say extreme values, lagi yung tatandaan, this is called outliers. We will going to have separate discussion regarding this outlier, pero in a general perspective, when we say outlier, ito yung naiiba, no? Ilan lang siya, pili lang ito, konti lang sila, madalas isa, dalawa, tatlong data lang ito na naiiba sila sa karamihan ng outliers. Halimbawa, meron kang data, lahat ng parang ito, no, iba na lang, sa labahin mo, lahat yan itim, no, mga 30 pieces na damit, puro itim, tapos meron kang dalawa or tatlong puti. So those are outliers, lalo na pag isa lang, no, napaka-obvious na outlier siya. Kumbaga sa dataset mo, ang range mo 1 to 50 lang, tapos biglang mayroong nakuhang data na umabot ng 200. So that is the outlier. Okay? So for Midhinge, ang formula niya napakadali lang, is that quartile 1 and quartile 3, i-add natin sila, divided by 2. Since by definition nga, it is again the mean of the first and the third quartiles ng ating dataset. May it be ungroup or group dataset. Okay, so for the example, let's have our problem regarding the 9 middle management employees of a certain company. And I know na ano natin ito, na-cover up natin itong middle management na to, itong 9 middle management na employees na to sa ating mga naunang topic regarding the quartiles, deciles, and percentiles. So, ayan, meaning, ang gusto kong sabihin is that meron na tayong values ng ating mga quartiles. And I hope naalala nyo pa. Sige, let's start. For the formula ng pagkuha ng Midhinge, i-write ko lang dito. Midhinge equals Q sub 1 plus Q sub 3 all over 2. So, since we already have the computation for this ungrouped data previously, in our previous topic, ang Q1 natin that time is 47. I hope you have your notes with you para masundan ninyo ako. Mabalikan ninyo yung mga values ng Q1 and Q3 before. And yung Q3 for this ungrouped data is 103.5. Divide natin sa 2, this will be 51.75. So, this will be our mid-hinge. Again, mid-hinge is the mean of the first and third quartiles. Ang tanong, sir, ang mid-hinge, since ginawa nating average, ginawa natin yung mean ng ating first and third quartile, ibig bang sabihin, yung value ng mid-hinge is just the same with the value of quartile 2? Kasi average lang po sila. Ang sagot, no. No? Halos magkalapit sila, pero if you're asking about the exact value, hindi po. Pero may chance na pareho sila, pero not always, no, na pareho sila. Kasi this is the average of quartile 1 and quartile 3. When we say quartile 2 kasi, ito yung mismong exact na location ng hinahanap mo. Depende sa yung rank value mo. No? So, ayun yung difference nila. They can be the same, but hindi siya always. No? Lagi nyo kung tatandaan yan. Alright, I hope nakuha ninyo. That will be for the mid-hinge. Diba? Napakadali lang. Sige. Check natin kung tama tayo. Answer 51. Okay. So, tama naman tayo for the mid-hinge. Okay, proceed tayo sa next, which is the interquartile range. Kung kanina, ang kinuha natin is the average ng quartile 1 and quartile 3 for the mid-hinge. For the IQR naman, this is also called as the mid-spread or middle 50. Dito, kung titignan ninyo yung formula, hindi natin kinukuha yung average ng dalawa. Ang kinukuha natin is yung difference ng dalawa. Parang yung range nila, yun nga lang nangyari is from 1 to 3 lang. No, which is, sabi nga dito, sa definition, which is a measure of statistical dispersion being equal to the difference between the third and first quartile. It is also used to build box plots. Actually, ito talaga yung para sa akin, no, ang purpose ng interquartile range is para ma-build mo yung box plot. Sir, ano naman itong box plot na sinasabi mo? We will, tulad ng outlier, we will be having separate session for box plot and outlier. Doon mas mai-interpret ko at mas ma-explain ko sa inyo ng mas malalim at mas detalyado kung ano yung box plot. Pero for the general point of view ninyo, general knowledge ninyo, general idea regarding the box plot. Box plot, ito po yung representation ng descriptive statistics mo, especially if you're trying to visualize para sa inyong audience kung ano yung sinasabi ng data using the measure of dispersion and location. Kaya nasa bandang dulo siya ng chapter natin ngayon. No? Ayun siya, doon siya ginagamit. So, sige, let's have the computation for IQR again. This is just the difference of our Q3 and Q1. Example tayo. Oops, parehong problem ulit. Since we have our Q3 na 56.5, tapos ang Q1 natin is 47. So, i-minus lang natin sila for us to be able to get the value of our IQR. No, kasi Q3 minus Q1 lang naman yan. Napakadali lang. Mas ma-appreciate nyo to kapag nasa box plot na tayo. Ayun pala yung yung purpose niya. Mas madali nyong ma-interpret yung data. So, 56.5 minus 47. IQR natin will be 56.5. I hope you have your calculator with you, no? 56.5 minus 47 is 9.5. Ayan. Meaning to say, interquartile range. Kaya nga siya tinawag na interquartile range, no? May range sa dulo. Mina-minus lang natin sila. So, 9.5. Ito yung pagitan from 1 up to 3 na quartile. From first quartile at to third quartile. So, let's check yung answer. Okay, tama naman tayo, 9.5. Sige, next and the last one for this short presentation is the quartile deviation, or sometimes this is called as QD na lang, mas maikli. No, QD stands for quartile deviation. This is the slightly better measure of absolute dispersion than the range. but it ignores the observation on details. It is not a popular measure of dispersion, and if it is calculated from the sample data, it does not help to draw any conclusion about the QD in a population. So, ito, kung kanina sa Midhinge, no, inad natin sila tapos divide sa 2. Ito naman, minus natin sila tapos divide sa 2. Still, ang gamit natin is Q3 and Q1. So, ayan, pareho pa rin tayo ng ginagamit na problem. Q3 natin is 56.5, no? 56.5. Tapos, ang Q1 natin is 47. For the formula of QD, again, QD is solved by having the difference of Q3 and Q1 divided by 2. So, let's have 56.5 minus 47, divide natin sa 2. QD natin will be 4.75. Oops. Ayan. 4.75. And, ayun, tama naman tayo. Guys, for now, no, hindi nyo pa gaano ma-appreciate ito kung saan siya ginagamit. Pero, sa susunod na topic natin, mas malalaman at mas maintindihan nyo kung para saan sila. Pinahapyawan ko lang kayo for these three, no, Midhinge, IQR or the Interquartile Range, and the QD or the so-called Quartile Range. Dahil karugtong ito. Ito kasi for me, no, ito yung bridge between the quartiles, deciles, and percentiles, and yung ating construction ng box plot na next na papag-usapan natin after natin dumaan ng mga topics like coefficient of variation and yung standard, interpretation and uses of standard deviation together with skewness and kurtosis, no? After nun, nasa box plot na tayo. Mas ma-appreciate nyo yung box plot by that time. And tulad nga nung nabanggit ko kanina, for me, that's the conclusion kung paano mo i-present, no? Kung paano mo gagawin yung data visualization para mas maintindihan ng ating mga viewers or ating mga audience. Alright, I think that's it for now. Sana natutunan nyo. Madali lang naman ang ating discussion for this presentation, and sana natuto kayo kahit papaano. Sana na-explain ko in a detailed manner. So, wag kakalimutan, no? Lagi kong sinasabi, laging mag-ingat. Keep safe, and thank you for your time. See you again on our next presentation. Bye-bye.